Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we have a new topic. We'll talk about the unequals. So that's mean we will talk about the smaller than or equals, greater than or equal. So stay with us and let's jump into the computer to solve the first equation for today. Here we have x plus 4 divided x plus 3 is smaller than or equal 0. So how we can solve this one? There is so many methods to solve this type of equations, but I basically do it with the net method. I will show you how to do it. It is the easiest one. So let's start doing it. The first thing we need to take our denominator and numerator. We put it here, x plus 4 smaller than or equal 0, and x plus 3 smaller than or equal 0. And here we solve for x. For this one, it will be x smaller than or equal minus 4, and here x is smaller than or equal minus 3. So what that means? That means that when we put minus 4 here in the place of x, then the result will be 0 or smaller than 0. And when we put minus 3 here, the result will be 0 or smaller than 0. These two numbers are important in our method, so we need to do this step firstly and then jump to our method. Our method says that we need to draw a net like that. And we put our equation here, x plus 4 and x plus 3. And in the first line here, put minus infinity. And here we need to put the closest number to minus infinity, which is minus 4. In the line of numbers, minus 4 is the closest to minus infinity. And then minus 3 here. So what we can do now? X plus 4, when x in minus 4, it will be 0. And when x in minus 3, it will be 0 here. Now we need to put signs here. Between minus 4 and minus infinity, there is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And between minus 2 and minus 3, there is minus 4.2, minus 4.3, and so on. And from minus 3 to infinity, there is the positive numbers, there is minus 2, minus 1, and so on. The step that we need to do it now is imagining that we have now minus 5 here. Minus 5, when we put it here, minus 5 plus 4, that means the result will be negative, which is minus 1. So this space here will have a negative sign. And this one will have a positive sign, because when we put, let's say, minus 3 in this equation, it will be minus 3 plus 4, which is positive 1. So that's why here we have positive and here we have negative. The same steps we need to do it here with x plus 3. Let's say here we have minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3, it is minus. Yeah, minus 4 plus 3, it's minus 1. So we cannot put 0 here like we did before. But here when you have minus 3 plus 3, it equals 0. That's why we have put 0 here. Here we put minus. And then let's say we have here minus 2 or minus 1 or 0 or 1, 2, 3 till the infinity. That means when we put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 3, it's equal 1, and the 1 is a positive number. So here it will be positive. The same thing here with the first equation. We have, let's say, minus 2 plus 4, it's equal to 2, and 2 is a positive number. So that's why we have to do it like that. This step is really important in order to get the result from here, because now we need to multiply these together. Minus multiplied by minus is positive. Positive multiplied by negative is negative. Positive multiplied by positive is positive. So this method is done. Now we need to take our result. We take our result from our equation. Our equation says smaller than or equal 0. Obviously the minus numbers, because the numbers that greater than 0 are positive numbers, and the number smaller than 0 are negative numbers. So that means we need just to take here the negative side, which is from here and here. That means our result will be from -4 till -3, because we have decided that we will take the minus sign and our decision according to the sign that we have here, which is smaller than or equal. If it is greater than or equal, we need to take the positive numbers, but it is smaller than or equal, so we need to take the negative. So yeah, this was our video for today. The method is a little bit complex. I will explain it in the next videos too. If you didn't understand this video, you can watch it one more time. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.